In a small town, there was a long road. This road had only one street light, not at the beginning, not at the end, just somewhere in the middle. Every night, people used this road to go home. But one night, a young man stood at the start of that road. He had to reach home, but the road was completely dark. He looked ahead and said, I can't go. I can't see anything. What if I fall? What if something happens? An old man nearby saw him standing there. He smiled and said, Just start walking. The young man replied, But I can only see till that street light. I can't see the whole road. The old man said something very simple. You don't need to see the whole road. You only need to see the next few steps. The young man was still scared, but he decided to try. Slowly, he took the first step, then another. The road was still dark. Fear was still there, but he kept walking. And after some time, he reached the street light. And something interesting happened. From there, he could see the next part of the road. Not everything, just a little more. So again, he walked. And again, more road became visible. Step by step, light kept meeting him. Until finally, he reached home safely. The next day, he understood something powerful. The road was never fully visible, but it was always enough to move forward. And honestly, our life is exactly like that road. We keep saying, I will start when I feel confident. I will start when everything is clear. I will start when the time is perfect. But life never shows the full journey. It only shows the next step. Maybe right now, you want to start something. A YouTube channel, a fitness journey, a new dream, a new risk. But fear is stopping you because you can't see the full result. You can't see success yet. You're waiting for the whole road to light up. But it never will. Confidence doesn't come before starting. Clarity doesn't come before action. They come because you start. When you take one step, life shows you the next, then the next. And before you realize, you've come very far from where you began. So if you're standing at the start of a dark road right now, remember this. You don't need full confidence. You don't need perfect timing. You don't need the whole plan. You just need courage for the next step.